Okay everybody, you did it. You made it to day 7 of the Total Joint 7-day workout challenge for beginners. My name is Patrick Miller, physical therapist with the Total Joint here in Homewood, Alabama. We're gonna wrap up the 7-day workout challenge with a little bit more of a challenging day. It's that high intensity interval training day, again, similar to day 1 of this program. We've got 5 separate exercises coming your way during this. Okay, so the 5 exercises we will be doing today are going to be squat jumps. It's going to be side to side foot taps. It's going to be shuffle steps, tricep push-ups, and heel raises. Now, very similar to day 1 of our program, this will be a great way to simultaneously work on your strength and endurance. We will do each of those exercises consecutively, 15 repetitions for each. I'd like you to set a timer for about 5 minutes while you're going throughout. After the 5 minutes, you're going to take a 1-minute break, just to give you a chance to catch your breath, to drink some water if you need that, and then you'll set the timer again for 5 minutes and do each of those 5 exercises, 15 repetitions for each, and then repeat if you finish before the 5 minutes is up. Again, you'll take a rest break about a minute or so. After the 5 minutes are up, you're going to do 3 rounds total for a total of 15 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. The first exercise I would want you to do is squat jumps. You remember doing squats previously in our programming. What I want you to do is dive yourself down, and this time you're gonna jump up. Dive yourself down, jump up. Dive down, jump, dive down, jump. 15 repetitions for those. If that's a little bit too much impact for you, you can certainly just go back to those normal squats like we've done before, down and up. Try 15 repetitions for those. As soon as you're done those 15 repetitions, go straight into those side-to-side jumps. We're going to jump to the side, tap your toes, jump to the side, tap your toes, jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap. So each of those is going to be 1 repetition. So 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. As soon as you're done those 15 repetitions, you can move to the next exercises. If that's a little bit too tough for you, you can certainly do simple side to side. Just move a little bit faster if you can. Try to get that heart rate up a little bit. As soon as you're done those, you can move on to the shuffle steps. What I'd like you to do is quickly shuffle your feet forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna do 15 repetitions for those 15 rounds. Again, if that's a little bit too much impact for you, you can simply tap your foot forward and back, your foot forward and back, foot forward and back. Just do a little bit faster if you can. Try to get that heart rate up. You'll move into tricep push-ups after that. You're gonna get down on the ground if you can, if you feel comfortable with it. Keep your arms closer to your side, get into that push-up position. Dive down, push up. Dive down, push up. You'll try 15 repetitions for those. If that's a little bit too challenging for you, get your knees on the ground. Knees on the ground, same thing, arms closer to your body, down and up, just like that, 15 repetitions. If that's too hard for you, you'll do it up against the wall. Hands up against the wall, your arms will be a little bit closer to you, down, push up, 15 repetitions for those. And our last exercise will be the heel raises. So if you need to hold onto a wall or something, that's absolutely fine, but you're gonna go up and down your toes, up and down your toes. Again, 15 repetitions for each of these. As soon as you're done those heel raises, you are not done until that 5-minute timer is up. So you would go back to the squat jumps again and then repeat all those exercises until the 5 minutes are over. Do as many rounds as you possibly feel like you can do. After that, 1-minute break, catch your breath, drink some water. You'll do 5 consecutive minutes again, and you're gonna do that for 3 rounds. Okay, everybody, and that will wrap up the Total Joint 7-day workout challenge. You all absolutely crushed it. You know, that was 7 days of pretty hard exercise. You know, and even if it wasn't for you, it was a good way to just kind of get active, moving a little bit, get yourself up off the couch, something other than just watching TV. It's always good to get your blood flowing, get your joints a little bit more mobile, get your heart beating, and certainly get you stronger too. So the main goal with this exercise challenge was to try to motivate you to start a regular exercise programming. So I really hope that your challenge doesn't end today, that you find ways to keep yourself motivated and certainly remain active from day to day. Go out and take a walk regularly, go to a gym if you like lifting weights. Even there's a bunch of home exercises you can do, if you can find them easily online, that's something that seems to be interesting to you. Ultimately, the best exercise is the one that gets done. So find what you like, stick to that. Maybe that's yoga, maybe that's more stretchy stuff, maybe that's more strengthening stuff, maybe that's walking or running. Ultimately, just a way to make yourself a little bit happier, healthier, and move better, which is one of our motives here at the Total Joint Rehab. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Once again, my name is Patrick Miller. I work in the Homewood location. We'll be happy to meet you if you want to stop by at some point. Otherwise, I hope you're doing great and make sure you stay active.